Nice. That was a good run. All right, so if you guys are wondering why when I unplug my battery, I plug it back in, because I have a buzzer on it that has its own battery. So if I just unplug it, then it's going to beep a few times, and then it's going to start screaming a lot louder than a normal buzzer. And that buzzer is for if my battery gets ejected, I can still find my quad, because I'm out here in the open wide earth, and when it goes down, it is hard to find. I'd rather get stuck in a tree than to try to find it out here. It's crazy. That's gonna suck. God damn, these props are fucking trash. I don't even know if it's gonna fly. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Yeah, I have no turning power. You should see this prop. It's like fucking whittled down to about that big. Just one of them.
Telemetry lost.
That's hilarious. We're gonna switch this prop out real quick. My damn mess. Oh my god, I've been building like crazy. Let's see. Yep, that's the one. These are 5.1s. The one that's on there is like a 4-inch now. I'll show you. There you go. Let's put that on top. Look at that shit. There we go. I run my props out. So now we'll tighten that sucker up and be good to go. I might change another one on. Yeah, that one's good. Let's change this back one here. Alright, I think we're good. Who texted? My flying buddy. He said, come out and fly. right.